So what is up guys, my name is Nico, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about my top favorite brands that send me free clothes. Past 2 years, I have been contacted by a numerous amount of brands to promote their stuff, and honestly I've been really happy. I've been really glad that I could be on a lot of these brands' radar. A lot of the brands that had sent me clothes I have known, and a lot of the brands are also unknown to me, so it was pretty good to be exposed to a lot of these new brands that I might want to invest my money on in the future. So I just have a lot of options to pick from. So I don't usually say yes to every brand that had contacted me. I don't want to sound greedy or anything, but if I really like what they're sending me or I like the brand itself, I would be able to enjoy styling it and put 100% of my effort in it. But if I don't really like what they're sending me just because it's not my style, not personally because I don't like them, it's just not my style, I won't be able to enjoy and put 100% of my effort to really make that brand look good or promotable. But it's just my logic. I want to just be able to enjoy and put my 100% effort to whatever brand it's sending me. But with that being said, let's start the list. So I'm going to be looking down here a lot. Apologize ahead of time just because I have my notes here about all these brands. But the first brand that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is going to be Jaded Man. You guys have probably heard of Jaded Man. A lot of your favorite influencers probably had promoted their stuff, me included. And I'm really happy about that, to be a part of that. Jaded Man is a UK-based streetwear brand. They sell a lot of trendy streetwear clothing, from bottoms to tops to accessories. I love all their stuff. I've been working with them for a couple months now. They have sent me so many stuff. But these two that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video I've gotten recently from them. And these are probably my favorite set that I've gotten. And that is going to be two-piece sets. Like this one that I've gotten is going to be this patchwork set. As you guys can tell, there's a lot of things going on, a lot of details, a lot of stitching, and I love it. This is the type of stuff that I love to wear. Probably nothing this crazy, and I wanted to experiment with these pieces. And honestly, I love it. It's something that I definitely want to style and I would enjoy styling. There's a lot of colors going on. You got some burgundy, some cream, and some of this off-white gray or green or whatever that is. Honestly, I love this. It's a great piece and I'm really glad that they had sent me this. Also, another set that sent me is just this black two-piece set with some white details in them. This one is also another great one. All this loud two-piece set that I've been getting. Like I said, I don't usually wear these type of sets like with all this stuff going on, but I wanted to try it out, and trying it out made me love all these pieces even more. So it's great. So really great sets, and I've been enjoying them like crazy lately. I've posted a lot of pictures with them on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead, follow me so you guys can see all these crazy fits that I've been posting. Alright, so the next two pieces that I'm going to be showing you guys are from this website, OAH.2x. I've been working with them for a couple months now. It's been pretty long. I don't remember when I started to work with them, but they had sent me a whole lot of pieces from their website. They're mainly selling their stuff on the website. They are a Asian brand. They sell a lot of like more minimal, more high-end looking pieces, the whole opposite of Jaded Man. So they're more chill, they're more minimal, they have really nice vibrant colors. I'm showing you guys this one that sent me is this blue button-up with some writing on the left side of the shirt. This one is probably one of my favorite pieces I got from them, just because of how it's designed, how it looks, and the color is just great. And I haven't worn this in a minute, but I have worn this so many times. So this next piece from the same brand, probably my personal favorite. I've worn this so many times this season, and that is going to be this black sweater. As you guys can tell, look at the colors, how they pop with the color black. It's beautiful, and it just looks retro at the same time. And honestly, these type of pieces is what I look for, especially for the fall and winter season. Something like this, it's beautiful. I'm so happy I'm able to grab this from them, and they just nicely send it to me. I love it. It's a great piece that I want to keep, and it's great. This next brand I'm going to be talking to you guys about is probably probably gonna be the biggest brand out of everything in the list. I know 90% of you guys have probably heard of this brand that I'm talking to you guys about, or you guys probably seen it on my thumbnail, and that is gonna be PacSun. So PacSun is pretty self-explanatory. They're everywhere. They're in like every malls, and they're a streetwear brand that sent a lot of trendy clothing from men's to women's and all kinds of different pieces. They had contacted me for Fog Essential drop that was last year, somewhere last year, I don't remember, but they had contacted me. They wanted to send me a couple of their pieces from their Fog Essential drop. I don't have the other piece anymore that they had sent me. I kept one that I really like, and that is going to be this off-white long sleeve with the Essential logo in the back. I really like this piece. It's like I said, it is like an essential piece. It's very subtle. I like this wording in the back, and you can just pretty much style this with everything, especially right now. You know, we're transitioning into the summertime, so this is a pretty good piece to wear. It's not too heavy, it's not too light either, and it does the job. So the last and final brand that I'm gonna be talking to you guys about in this video is Club Fantasy. I don't know if you guys have heard of Club Fantasy. They're an upcoming brand, streetwear brand, mainly selling a lot of sets, t-shirts. A lot of famous names had worn their stuff, like Bad Bunny and as well as Lil Nas. I love their stuff. They had sent me a specific set, and it's gonna be this black hoodie with the sweatpants with the lime green logo on the front as well as on the sleeve and the back. It's just everywhere. Honestly, this piece I've worn more than anything on the list just because it's comfy. It looks great. I've worn this to travel as well. This is my travel fit. I try to look good while traveling as well and comfy at the same time. That's mainly why I love this piece. It looks great as well as it's very comfortable to wear. Especially right now in the fall and winter season, I've gotten so much use of this piece, of these sets. It's great. I love their stuff. Check them out. They sell some great stuff if you're looking for a lot of this hoodie, sweatpants set. Yeah, it's great. And alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy this video. Check out my website, it's going to be linked down below. It's also going to be somewhere on the screen. If you're looking for new pieces, or if you like my style in general and you want to wear some stuff like that, I have those for sale, like this sweater on the website. Check it out. I usually drop every week. I try, or every 2 weeks. But with that being said, hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys later.